Being a woman in STEM, I like to see more problem solving, and I like to see iteration, because that's how you improve. That's how you improve in life. You reflect and you get better, right? Hi, my name is Christina Wade, and I'm a math and computer science teacher at Burlingame High School. And I'm also very honored to be the coach of our robotics team, the Iron Panthers. One of the things that was really important to me when I started the team with some students is that we take everybody, no matter what experience level they have, that we give them opportunities to have hands-on experiences that they don't usually get in the classroom, and that they have autonomy and control over what they're doing, and try to do rapid prototyping so that students have ideas, they can test it out, and then they kind of do design challenges and design reviews and figure out what's the best strategy. But to do that in a short build season, you need proper tools. The Origin have been amazing. I think that it's a good foundational tool because the regular CNCs that we had were very complicated. We didn't have a lot of students that knew how to use them, and they would need a lot of mentor support to be able to make it work. But having the Origin under their belt and understanding that and feeling comfortable with that, I think would give them more empowerment to be able to use the more advanced tools.
At first, I thought it was going to be a bit intimidating because I tend to be scared of power tools a little bit more, but this was really simple.
The more hands-on things there are to do and the more easily it is to learn them, it improves the retention rate. For us with engineering and with the Origin and the design prototyping that we've been doing, I see way more students having hands-on experiences than I did in the past. And that's where their ideas come to life and they feel productive, they feel useful. I mean, my students are smart and very motivated, but most students, if they find a purpose to do something, they will do it and they can learn. That's the next level for us. Get better at the iterative design, the prototyping, and doing it faster and better, and really having better conversations around that. It's fun to see them all in action. I'm really enjoying that.